Hello my friends, welcome again. We are in the part 5 now to create Laravel admin panel. Here is our dashboard. I have login and we can log out here. Here in the table I have displayed the posts we have. And I add this button to go and create a new post. I'm going to add a button here to edit and publish a post. So if I go to the dashboard in our code, here we have edit and delete. I'm going to add a link here and with a class of margin 2 and padding 2, bg green 400 and rounded. Okay, it's going to be edit, copy and paste this and add the publish here, save, come here, refresh. Yeah, we have a button for a link for edit and publish a post. And here I want to remove this and add only rounded. Okay, refresh. Yeah. Now I want to show these buttons here and here when the user has the right roles. Okay, so we don't have any roles for now. So if we go to the roles here, yeah, I'm going to create now, and you can go to the Laravel permission in Spatie website, and this is the basic usage. I'm going to create using artisan commands and copy this one. I have prepared some notes here, so I'm going to create a role for admin, writer, editor, and publisher user. Okay, go to the terminal and PHP artisan permission, create a role and give it the name, in my case admin, another one for the writer, another one for the editor, another one for the publisher, okay, another one for the user. Okay, now if we go to the table plus and refresh, yeah, we have the roles. I want to create a permission as well, so go here and copy this one, and I want to create a permission to write post, edit post, and publish post. Okay, and write post, edit post, okay, and publish post. Clear. You can create a form here, but to be more quick, because you can create a form and after that we can create a role create name and give it a name, or permission create, but for now just I'm going to create with the artisan command. And here if I go now to the dashboard, first I'm going to show you with the blade directives, and we can use can and add the permission, or if out the user can and this these are blade directives, or with a role. So if a role is writer, else, and so on. So I'm going to use this role, and here I want to show this only if the role of the user with the role writer and the role. Okay, and if I save, come here, I refresh, we don't see that because we are logging as a test user and we don't have any role for now. I'm going to create a new user and register a new user, and this is going to be a writer. Okay, and I'm going to add name writer and write test become, add password, okay, and now we need to give the permission as a writer to this user, and we can give a permission so the user assign a role and a writer. For example, if I go to table class and in the user, if I refresh, we have a user with ID of 2 and is a writer. I'm going to open the Tinker here. Okay, and I'm going to create, assign the user to the app models user, find the user with ID of 2. Yeah, and now user assign role, and the role is writer. Okay, yeah, now if I go and refresh the page here, yeah, we can see the post here. I'm going to create a new, I'm going to log out here and create new user as admin, new for the editor and publisher, and the test user we have, so I want to leave it just another for the admin, editor and publisher. Okay, this is going to be admin and admin test.com, add the password, okay, register this, and now the admin can see this post because it's admin, and if you go here in the blade directives rows, so here we have has any role, and has any role, for example writer and admin. Okay, it's the same what I did. So if I go to the code and add it here, pipe admin, save this and refresh now. Yeah, we need to add has any role. Okay, copy this one and save, refresh. Oh yeah, because the user has not, we have not assigned the user as a admin. Sorry for that. So I'm going to find the user with ID of 3. This is admin. Yeah, and I'm going to assign a role admin now. Sorry for that, huh? Okay. Yeah, now the user is admin, and if you come here, refresh, yeah, he now can create a post, see the button. And what I said, I want to create another user for the editor and publisher. Okay, this is going to be editor. And add the password here. Okay, the editor, now we can see this edit, but not the publish and not the create button. But first I need to give the permission to this user, and if I refresh now, the user editor has the ID of 4, and find the user with ID of 4 and give it the permission. Editor. Yeah. And now if I go to the code here, and we can show this if the user has a role editor and the role here, and save. Okay, refresh. But I want to hide this publish button. So this is going to be if the user has a role as a publisher and the role here. Yeah, save, come here, refresh, and now the user as editor can see only the edit. And I'm going to add the username here, so to see we are editor. So if I go to the layout and here I'm going to add the username, out user name. Yeah, we need to I have saved. I refresh. Yeah, now he is editor and can edit. And one more, I log out. I need to register one more user, and this is the publisher user. Okay, he is a publisher, and publishtest.com, and add the password. Okay, he is publisher and he can see only the publish button here, but we need to give the role, and we find the user with ID of 5. He is publisher, yeah, and give it the role as a publisher. Okay, and now if I refresh, yeah, he can see the publish button. If I log out and log in as a admin, yeah, we can see only the create post, but I want to see an edit and publish post. So if I go to the code, and here you can add, sorry, you're not here in the dashboard. We have a role editor and give it the pipe and admin, and the same thing here. Save this and come here, refresh. We need to add the has any role. Okay, has any role, and the same thing here, has any role, and the same thing here. Refresh now. Yeah, now he can see all the button because he is admin. Okay, this is for this video. If you like this, subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.